In this tutorial, I'm going to show you in this Monday.com tutorial how you can change your workspace. So here I'm going to extend like this, and let me just change this to off. And as you can see here, we have our workspace, and I can click on the three dots here and manage this workspace. Here I can see the boards and dashboards. And members, I can invite members, permissions, I can click on to rename, I can also double click here, add a description for this workspace, I can also edit this and add a background color, an icon maybe. We can also upload my own picture, something, maybe a logo, whatever you want. And here we can also sort the workspace, but that's pretty much how you can change your workspace. Now, if you want to add another one, you can click on here, add a new workspace, type the name, privacy, open or closed, edit the image, you can add the icon like this, and add the workspace. Now here, as you can see, we have two workspace. And of course, I can add the workspace, change the icon, move the workspace. I can move this workspace to cell CRM. So I can move this here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe for more tutorials.